Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Figma and creating a new file named for the product. This keeps work organized. Once done, add a 1440px frame and enable an 8px layout grid so spacing stays consistent. Next, import your research notes and analytics highlights into a side panel. These facts become persona attributes. Make sure to pick 3-5 representative users from your data and create placeholders for name, photo, goals, frustrations, and key metrics before moving into design. You now build a reusable persona template using components and styles. Consistency makes iteration fast. Start with a clear typography hierarchy. Name at 24 points, role at 14, and body copy at 12 so information reads in order. Create components for avatar, metadata chips, and badges to reuse across personas. Then add structured sections, goals, behaviors, pain points, motivations, and a prominent quote to capture why the user acts. Once the template is complete, you finalize each persona by populating fields with validated research. Name, demographics, 1-2 prioritize tasks, behaviors, and an empathy-driven quote. Once populated, share the Figma link and invite the team to comment so assumptions get challenged and refined. After feedback, lock the template variant, export PDFs or PNGs for presentation, and save components to assets for future projects. If data conflicts arise, reconcile by returning to primary research and flagging uncertain fields for follow-up interviews.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.